Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Hey guys, welcome to the Redly podcast. This is Pritish Lohani from Modern Convent School, New Delhi, along with
Pravit Srivastava,
Ayush Patak and Swarnim Ray.
and today we are in the golden city of Amritsar.
And in this Terra Talk, we are going to have a talk show sharing our experience at Wagah border.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
After the basic security check and passing the main entrance, 400 to 500 meter walk, after which आपको एक main flag दिखेगा, huge flag with a huge pole. और उसके बाद stadium में entry होगी and the seating is just as cricket stadium. Crowd is amazing, mostly school students और youngsters वहाँ पे होते हैं.
फैमिलीज वहाँ पे बॉर्डर क्रॉस करके इंडिया में आ रही थी. वहाँ पे पेट्रियोटिक सॉन्ग्स बज रहे थे, लोग फ्लैग लेके रन कर रहे थे रोड पे.
And then उसके बाद एक soldier था, basically he was commanding the whole crowd and he was making everyone shout out the patriotic slogans in a rhythm which was obviously giving us all goosebumps. उसके बाद they were calling people to participate in the event. They called all the girls to dance, which was a bit disheartening to all the boys, but the overall feeling was amazing.
डांस हो रहा था, लोग फोटोज वीडियोस ले रहे थे, सब लोग नाच रहे थे, हम लोग चेयर्स पे उठ उठ के नाच रहे थे and all. And there were a lot of foreigners, very crowd था वहाँ पे. उन्होंने for the first time I heard the BSF theme song, which I personally found very intriguing and it was awesome honestly. और उन्होंने एक छोटा सा वीडियो प्ले किया था, briefing us about the history of BSF and उन्होंने soldiers को introduce करे थे.
उन्होंने soldiers को introduce किया था and in a different way, like 2 female officers थी, पहले उनका नाम बताया सबका, overviewing officers का बताया, parade lead का बताया, and वही जैसे मेरे previous आयुष ने कहा था कि एक soldier continue कर रहा था, वही introduce कर रहा था and we were hooting a lot, like उन सब के enthusiasm में हम उनका courage बढ़ा रहे थे और ताकि अच्छे से act कर पाए. And the soldiers there showed a great amount of courage and valor in front of the Pakistani Rangers. And उसके बाद हमारा main show शुरू हो जाता है, which is the retreating ceremony. So the borders were open and the main power display began. And the marches of soldiers were very fantastic. Like they was filled with confidence and enthusiasm.
Soldiers were showing off their mustaches and their turbans. उसके बाद एक handshake हुआ, remarking the friendship between Pakistan Rangers and Indian BSF.
Showed the respect between the two countries. Like soldiers, though they belong from different countries, at heart they're still human. So and इसके बाद जो main होता है, the flag holding ceremony, with that begins. Both flags were lowered simultaneously and there was complete pin drop silence in the whole crowd. It was told by the ranger that there should be complete silence and everyone was maintaining this. After that we went back.
Exit था, उसके बाद flags को fold कर दिया गया and everyone was retreating. सबने click की photo soldiers के साथ with the border gates and it was amazing.
And it's a must visit place to go to.
And the thing is कि एकदम unique crowd, हम लोग strangers से interact करते हैं वहाँ पे, हम लोग उनको motivate करते हैं. I guess that marks the end of our talk show.
So guys, thanks for listening to the podcast.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.